Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make palak paneer in a microwave oven. Palak paneer or cottage cheese and spinach is a North Indian delicacy. It is eaten along with parathas, naans or rotis. I'm going to make this dish entirely in the microwave. I'll be boiling and cooking the spinach in a microwave. I'll be sauteing the ingredients for the gravy also in the microwave, and the final cooking of both after grinding them to a paste will also be done in the microwave. I'll garnish it with cream and serve it with naan cauliflower rice. To make palak paneer, I have taken 500 grams of palak and chopped it up and put it in a microwave safe bowl. This is the bowl for steaming foods provided with the Samsung Smart Oven. It is made up of 3 layers. To the bottom layer I've added water, about a cup of water, and then I've put the chopped spinach in this one, and then I will be covering it up with this one and cooking it in the auto cook mode of the Samsung Smart Oven. This is the Samsung Smart Microwave Oven. Model number is given here. It's a smart 32-liter oven. You have all these modes: convection, grill, microwave, Indian recipe, and masala sun dry. When you open the lid, you have this cooking guide here, and we are interested in Indian recipe slim fry. So for making palak paneer, to boil palak, I will be using this 1.2 mode here, vegetables and rice. So we do that by closing the microwave, turning on the microwave, Indian recipe, and here 1 has come, so we want to go to 1.2 as we just saw. Press 1 and 1.2 has now come. Select that again, and then when we press start, it will start cooking. The vegetables like palak will get cooked properly. I've placed the steaming utensil in the microwave oven over the glass turntable. I'll switch on the microwave. We have this Indian recipe or slim option, so that is 1. Press done, and then it is increase it to 1.2. So this is the second option for Indian vegetables. Enter and press start. So it will cook for 8 minutes, and at the end of 8 minutes, hopefully this spinach will be sufficiently cooked, and I will be able to combine it with the rest of the ingredients. These are the ingredients required for making the puree for palak paneer: 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 200 grams of paneer. I will be slicing it up into cubes. Garam masala, dhania powder, ginger and garlic paste, and mustard oil. I will be chopping all these up and cooking them in the microwave itself, and combining the palak, which has been ground into a paste, with the seasoning made from these ingredients. Cooking is over. Remove the palak while using a gloves. Palak has cooked. The spinach has been cooked. hot up everything. I'm taking another microwave safe bowl. To this I will add 3 teaspoons of oil. This is mustard oil, onions, chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, dhania powder or coriander powder half teaspoon, the garam masala half teaspoon, salt to taste, place a lid and cook it in the microwave again. Put it in the microwave, switch on the microwave, choose the microwave mode this time. By default it comes for 30 seconds and it is at 900 watts. Press start. It's cooked now. Now I am going to grind the palak. The palak has been placed in a mixie jar. Palak has been ground to a fine paste. Now I am going to grind these onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic into a paste. This is going to be ground now in the mixie once again. This is the ground onion, tomato and ginger garlic into a puree. Ground palak. Add the paneer pieces into it. And it's ready to go into the microwave once again. Now it's a straightforward microwaving for about 30 seconds or 1 minute. So choose microwave. 30 seconds is recommended, but I will increase it to 2 minutes. Press start. Palak paneer is cooked and now I'm going to garnish it with the cream. Palak is a rich source of iron, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is very valuable to dilate the blood vessels and lower the blood pressure. I hope you like that video. If you like that video, you might like to see this one where I have made paneer tikka on the same microwave. If you want to keep watching such videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload another video. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.